Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Snowboard Vise is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious snowboarder looking to maintain their gear, ensuring optimal performance and longevity on the slopes. Whether you're a seasoned pro dialing in your setup for a competition or a weekend warrior wanting to keep your ride in top condition, having a reliable vise to secure your snowboard for waxing, tuning, or repairs is absolutely critical for achieving that perfect glide and control. Number 5. Winterial Snowboard and Ski Tuning Kit. Get everything you need for perfect tuning in one convenient package. This kit is designed to bring your gear back to life. Achieve peak performance with our multi-angle edge tuner. Sharpen your edges precisely for better control and grip on the slopes. Our versatile iron and all-weather wax ensure a smooth glide that lasts all season. Adjust the temperature for optimal results in any condition. Experience improved control, speed, and safety with regular tuning. It also extends the life of your equipment. This compact and lightweight kit fits in a durable carry bag. It's perfect for quick tunes wherever your adventures take you. What we like. This kit has everything you need for a full tune-up. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to maintain your gear, this is it. It's perfect for those who want to do it all themselves, from edge sharpening to waxing, all in one convenient package. What people say. The vise is very stable and holds the snowboard securely. It is easy to adjust and set up for waxing or tuning. The construction is solid and it feels durable. Number 4. XCMAN Ski Snowboard Vise. Introducing the XCMAN Ski Snowboard Vise, your ultimate companion for tuning, waxing, and repairing your snow gear. This set includes non-slip vise grips designed for versatile working positions. This comprehensive set comes with snowboard and alpine ski jaws, plus 2 brake retainers. It even features a specially designed beer opener for added convenience. Experience enhanced stability with its ultra-wide space design, measuring 23 centimeters or 9.05 inches. This allows for comfortable and precise work on your equipment. Easily clamp it to workbenches or tables up to 60 mm or 2.36 inches thick. The non-slip rubber pads ensure your skis rest securely while you work on top sheets or bindings. Built with high-strength engineering plastics and rubber, it guarantees durability and stability. You can rely on it for all your ski and snowboard maintenance needs. Enjoy horizontal, vertical, and tilt working positions for maximum flexibility. These end supports also feature independent clamps for secure side edge work. What we like. This offers great versatility with its multiple working positions. If you need a stable platform for various tuning tasks, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for anyone who values a secure grip and the ability to work on their board horizontally, vertically, or at an angle. What people say. The vise is very sturdy and holds the snowboard securely. It's easy to adjust and provides a stable platform for waxing and tuning. The non-slip rubber feet keep the vise in place, even on slick surfaces. Number 3. Demon Ski and Snowboard Ultra Vise. Introducing the Demon Ski and Snowboard Ultra Vise, your ultimate companion for tuning, repair, and waxing. This vise offers unparalleled stability and versatility for all your winter sports equipment needs. Experience a no-slip grip with its secure board holder, ensuring your skis and snowboard stay firmly in place. It features horizontal and vertical working positions for maximum convenience during maintenance. This ultra-lightweight and adjustable vise will fit onto any table up to 2.4 inches thick. Its design ensures it's ready to use wherever you are. It features 2 side edge positions, a standard 90-degree and a 60-degree angle, for effortless edge work. It also accommodates binding clearance of 160 mm, making it suitable for a wide range of skis and boards. Multiple rubber surfaces protect your equipment from scratches and abrasions, keeping it in pristine condition. Plus, the magnetic tool holder keeps your essential tools within easy reach. 2 rubber ski brake retainers are included to securely hold your ski brake locks in place. This ensures a smooth and efficient repair and tuning process. What we like. This vise is incredibly lightweight and easy to adjust. If you prioritize portability and the ability to set specific edge angles for detailed work, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who travel frequently or need precise control over their edge tuning. What people say. The vise is sturdy and holds the snowboard securely. It is easy to set up and adjust. The rubber feet keep the vise from sliding on the workbench. Number 2. IGOSKI Ski and Snowboard Vise. Introducing the IGOSKI Ski and Snowboard Vise, designed to provide a stable platform for all your tuning and waxing needs. Its adjustable design ensures compatibility with various equipment. This pair of vise grips offers adjustable angles, making it perfect for different repair and tuning scenarios. You can easily adapt it to your specific needs on the go. Crafted from special materials, it reliably holds a wide range of skis and snowboards of any size. You can trust its strength and durability for long-lasting performance. Set it upright for perfecting your edges during waxing. It's ideal for use in your workshop, at home, or even at the ski hill with a portable tuning table. Achieve optimum control with edge angle options of 60 and 90 degrees. This feature allows for precise adjustments to enhance your skiing or snowboarding experience. Weighing around 3.5 pounds and measuring approximately 11.5*12.2.5 inches, it's designed for convenience. The package includes essential accessories for immediate use. What we like. This offers an upgraded design with adjustable angles for different situations. If you're seeking a reliable and secure grip for both wide skis and snowboards, this is a solid option. It's well suited for home use or for setting up a portable tuning station. What people say. The vise is very sturdy and holds the snowboard securely. It's easy to set up and adjust, making waxing and tuning a breeze. The rubber feet keep the vise from slipping on my workbench. Number 1. 2-piece professional ski and snowboard vise. Introducing our professional 2-piece vise, designed for all your tuning, edging, and waxing needs. It offers versatile multi-position support for any task. Easily adjusted to vertical, horizontal, or angled positions. This ensures you have the perfect setup for waxing, sharpening, and repairs. Our Sure Grip rubber padding protects your surfaces and equipment. It also guarantees a maximum hold, keeping everything secure. This heavy-duty vise easily fits most tables and benches. Its reinforced design ensures durability and stability for all your maintenance. We stand by its quality with a lifetime warranty. This pair includes 2 vises, providing you with everything you need. What we like. This set provides a heavy-duty design with excellent protection for your equipment. If you want peace of mind with a lifetime warranty and superior grip, this is the choice. It's ideal for dedicated enthusiasts who demand durability and want to protect their gear during maintenance. What people say. This vise is very sturdy and holds the snowboard securely. The adjustable jaws make it easy to fit different board widths. It's a great tool for waxing and tuning your snowboard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.